Today we'll discover how different car colors absorb heat and which color is the smartest choice for Indian summers. Black cars absorb the most sunlight and heat up quickly. White cars reflect most sunlight and tend to stay cooler in direct sun. Silver and light grey reflect significant heat, while dark blue and dark red absorb more. Key factors to understand are absorption and reflection. Measured over several hours, black registers the highest cabin temperatures, followed by dark blue, red, grey, silver and white as the lowest. For Indian summers, white is the best for heat reflection, silver is an excellent balance, and light grey is a good alternative. Beige also performs well, but darker colors look premium while absorbing significantly more heat. Simple practical tips include using sunshades, legal window tint, covered parking, ventilated seats, and remote pre-cooling. If staying cool is your priority, choose white, silver, or light grey, while darker finishes will retain significantly more heat. So tell us your car color in the comments.